Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Margaret L. I have opened the box already, as y'all can see, because I didn't want to show no addresses, and I'll send it right in my lap. First off, I'm going to show y'all some buttons that she sent, and it looks like they're butterfly buttons. Very, very pretty. I'll be using that on a project. In fact, I'm working on some clusters right now, and I could use that. And then there's this little journal book and this little journal book. Those are gonna go in something. And then there's three little fluffy key rings with purses on the bottom. They're all different color. This one's black, this one's teal, this one's gold. I got ideas for the purses, but the fluffy part is gonna go to my granddaughter. Now here's some fancy dancy napkins that I did a pre-recording, but the zoom was too close, so I had to start it all over again. And look at this, how pretty. Woohoo! Raw napkins. And I have an idea for that. Okay, so we got that. Then we got these beautiful napkins. Let's see. I don't want to. There we go. Open it to where they all fall out. I just want one out. They're Aztec, and they're blue and teal, and it's a full panel. Decoupage, here I come. So that's that one. We got one more item, and it's this beautiful napkin, and I think that's a 4-panel too. As I said, I don't want to cut the napkin, so I have to be very, very careful. I don't want to do it where they're all going to come out. So I'm going to pull out one. And here's it's 4 panels. It's a pineapple. We'll see. It's a flower type pineapple. See? So, to recap, there's a couple other things that are personal that I don't want to show. So I'll leave those out. So we got this napkin here. We got the pineapple, the Aztec, and this one I don't know what to call it. It's just party partners. I don't know. Then we have the 3 little purses with the fluffy balls at the top. And we have the buttons. And we have the 2 notebooks. There's actually 3. There's 2 unicorn. But I'm not going to show the 3rd one because it's the same thing as this one. Okay, so stay tuned for the end. I'll have photos for you. And please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I have new things come up on my channel. So be safe, be loved, be kind. Excuse me. Stay safe. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.